Ki MLA naka PDF ki kentup ya arngut ki Menteri Sarkar uba Bantai Dorling do ba Hamlet Dorling ba Given Meliam ba uba Jason Maulong ki weipat ki arngut ki MLA ki ba kentup yu saleng e sangma NCP ba lambor malngyang kumban syukudo ba ka People Democratic Front PDF kadai ka sengsang partai ka pekerja ne ka Sarkar Klek Khaulang ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA kumju kini ki arngut kini kin ringut ki MLA ki la ai ka city ban itu ki dakani kan hun haying do bathawan ka jalla how joint secretary ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly nakadaw ka jimbom don usumbut lempang Timothy di Shira hakam ratri kam jong u habakran bat kilat phai khubor hadin ka jingwan ai jingtho akam ratri kam usumbut lempang ka ying do bathawan ka jalla uba Bantai Dorling do ulong ba ka jingdon kam ban yekren nak banta ka roi kapar haboro ka wei ka jalla hi kalapen long yeki bantaw yakani ka kan hun
jingwan ai city jungi mata singi ban submit yaki yakani ka jing form thamai jungi yakani ka sub alliance ka bangi khot ka tengka United Progressive Front ka bangi don lang ki member jong ka PDF sangut ki MLA bat nakaliang jong ba saleng NCP bat ba lambor malngyang independence MLA na po nongkram constituency ka baning ko nga kalong ba kani ka jing form yakani ka alliance kalong nakabenta ka jingkwa jungi banang penklanya rukom terikam ki bedai ban kentiu ya ka state hi ki development overall development ya ka state jungi brokoi kata ka digi jing tumu jungi bangi ong bangin ne don lang kan long ke jing mentoy nakabenta ka jing ai be anti jong ka state jungi ki bobon ki kam ki bedai wat ka overall development Terus kata ngira nak MDA government ka kumbalong menta ka ya be anti kamdon kan nui tangbang isngopat ba dengi don pat dakani ka alliance ka bolong ka sub alliance kan long ka jing mentoy nakabenta ki bobun tikam ki jam bong ong ipi nakabenta ka jing mentoy jong state ka jongi ni sngo ya dai jing mot ni sngo tanat ni sngo biang ni itu ithau ni ka kerta ka barang ya bet ya biang para mangi tingi sngo ka don kam pe dengi don ni te song dakani ka front bat te kan long ka iki jing mentoy nakabenta ka state hi jongi brokoi
haba banrap lang usaleng e sangma ulong ba ka UPF kan kran ni ke jinge jing pai ba ulong bo khlamla ban kran ni ka jinge ki pai ba ki bakia kendo man bau dong dan hakaliang persya haking do ba thawain ka jella haka samoy bakaladap
we need a team that's why like good bad ugly at least that forum could have taken up any issues regarding any form of development or any kind of issues that arises between us. So we thought all the grievances we will put forward before the government together. That was the unless and until we are united, especially in a democracy, it's very hard. I was being in the opposition for the last 5 years alone, whereas I cannot put forward my grievances, especially my people. So the issue would be very better if we from 2 to 6 if we come up, that means we can deal the issue in a better way. That's why from MUF we have formed another group, UPF, with the PDF. That's what the agenda is. Especially in a democracy, more the number, more the better. Any issue in the future will strengthen us, strengthen our voice. That's the only objective. Now, as for now, we don't have any issues yet. But what we thought is that if in the future, if we happen to demand anything or voice anything for the people, so we thought that, the larger voice will be heard more.
Nakaliang ba Hamlet Son Dorling ulong ba ka UPF kanang penklanya ka Sarkar MDA bat ben pentikna ba kanla ben pendep ya ka samoy trekam jongka hakini ki sansnam da ka jing chan jongkini kin riungun
jing form ji ni ka UPF long ban pentikna ba kedik MDA government kanne kandot borok sansnam batu ba kita gini saya apa jing lam jong uci besar bukan rati sama gerak jalan jungi kumpul grup rengut iskam kolong ka borba berpaya bukan makersan berpikir ini ka jung sem jong ini ka Sarkar MDA